I just had some people tell me I can't walk down a public street. A public street. Shit crazy. I wish you would have touched me, man. I would have lit your ass up. I wish you would have touched me, man. Come do it down. I don't care about that. I'm a free American, man. Get the fuck out of my face, bro. If you would have touched me, I would have laid you down, bro. But I would have laid you down. You would have had a good sleep.
I didn't say I was gonna touch you, man.
Well, are you an American? Are you an American, motherfucker? We in a free society, right? That's a free street. I'm just walking down the street. I wish you would have touched me. I would have laid you out, and I would have enjoyed it.
I'm sure you would have. Have a good night.
Yeah, you too. I'm free. You free? Be free, man. Fuck out of here, man. Crazy. You're crazy. I just walked through on their ass. They're like, we'll call it. I said, touch me then. I would have laid, and the police are on their way. Call them.
For what? For
Fuck
walking?
you mean? You call them. I don't run from the police, and I'll lay their ass out too.
Are we going on the service, baby?
Yeah. You gonna find out who I am if they get here. They gonna look me up, leave him alone.
Bet that's right.
I bet you. I'll wait. Go in there and get our food. 2 orders of chicken friotes or frioles. Go get them right now. I'm gonna wait right here. I bet you they tell you the same shit when they look at my face. I don't play. I'm a free American.
We all are.
Thank you. It's a street. I'm walking down. Somebody touch me illegally, police, FBI, it said I'll beat the fuck you touch me. You gonna have this walk up. I don't care, man. It's a free street. I was just walking down.
Yeah. What happened?
You good, bro? Bro, you good. You don't need to understand. You ain't what I'm arguing with. So you don't need to.
That's all.
Well, I'm gonna have peace either way.
Talk about it, bro.
I'm filming.
Okay, that's good.
So if I gotta lay hands, I'm legit.
Right, but you don't want to do that.
I do want to, for freedom.
That's on you, then.
Soldiers go to war for freedom, right?
Okay, but soldiers
They don't say I'm a soldier too, though.
Sorry,
And bro, get out of my face, bro. You tried to do what? Enjoy your night, brother. Bro, just enjoy your night. The police are here. Just go enjoy your night, bro. Get the fuck out of my face, bro. Hey, how you doing, officer? Just go enjoy your night. Get the fuck out of my face.
All right, you disrespected me.
Just get the fuck out of my face, bro. I'm here. I'm the guy that walked through.
Okay, so let me talk to him real quick. Okay, I'll talk to you. He just
I'm the guy that walked through.
Okay, you walked.
I walked on a public street to get to here.
It's not a public street right now. It's
So
closed
that's
off
not a
for-
street.
This is closed off as a festival
It's
district.
a public street.
I'm not going to argue with you. During-
Public access.
It's not public access when this.
There's none?
When this event is going on, it's not public access. They have requirements to get checked before you come in and out of this area.
To just walk through an area in America.
During the time when they're running this event, yes, that's what's happening.
To walk through an area in America. It's public normally.
secured. They're wanting people. They're checking people.
I ain't got no damn weapons. They saw that. I'm not getting my ID. If you want to arrest me and take me down, that's fine, man. I'm not breaking any laws. Well, I'm just saying, I'm an American. I stand on my freedoms, hopefully like you two do. And I hope for you, the oath you took to the Constitution.
Yeah. So unfortunately, we need to document everybody that we have.
That's fine. That's a policy. That's not law. I know that.
So you're refusing to provide identification?
I am.
Okay.
Come on.
Hang out. Nope. You're not free to go. Hang out.
No, I said let's go.
Okay. Well, hopefully we're going to avoid that. Let me try to
No,
figure out what's
let's
going
go. Let's go. Let's go. You want to take advantage of my freedoms and abuse my freedoms? Let's go. No, let's go. I just walked down the street in fucking America and I'm being threatened with arrest. Let's go.
Nobody is threatening you with arrest.
All right, man. Sounds like all that's going to happen is that you're not welcome back here tonight, okay? You have any questions?
What do you mean? I came to get food. I walked down the street.
Okay, you're not welcome in the festival district. Do you understand that?
I don't.
We weren't trying to go to the festival.
I walked down the street to fucking get food.
So you didn't want to come in here.
I walked down a street to get food.
Okay, they don't want you in here. You're free to go.
Right. I mean,
Do they own this shit?
we're not trying to go to the festival.
Fuck out of here, bro. That's why I said take me to jail.
There's no reason to go.
Well, get the fuck out my face then.
Like I said,
You guys are free to go enjoy the rest of your evening.
I'm free. Thank you for saying I'm free.
Let's eat, baby.
No, thank you. I'm free.
Enjoy the rest of your
Damn.
evening, okay?
To be free, that's what it takes.
Let's go eat, baby.
Shit.
We're going to go back this way.